Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you really cool stuff. So we're gonna try not to laugh challenge. So I'm gonna switch that up. So what? Here, try not to. Hold on, I have to search that on YouTube. I'll just do YouTube real quick. Sorry that but first of all, watch other people's. Trust me, this is gonna be so awesome. Let's see. Oh my god. And what is the Wi-Fi password? Hold on just a second. Got it. Yeah, I got it. So I'm gonna write it. What's wrong with this? Oh yeah, it's still loading. Here. So let's write it. Oh, just so you know, the people who you think that other people like. First of all, I wanna tell you just subscribe, please. Just subscribe, and that's your challenge. And like the video. Don't forget to press the bell. Here. Try not to laugh challenge. Try. Oh, jeez. Why doesn't it work? Why does it say let's make Minecraft? Let's see if it goes on open say seriously? Oh my god. Here. YouTube. So try. Oh, don't tell me. So guys, if this happened to you on your computer, it's better be not good. Like mine. So let's try it again. Try. Not to laugh. Try not to laugh challenge. Let's just wait, and it's going away, I know. Here, try not to laugh. Hard, it says hard. So let's press hard. Oh! It's, sorry. Just because of that, oh my god, I can't believe. Here. Here, let's see, it says hard. Try not to laugh challenge hard. So guys, if you laugh, you fail. God. We need to buy. You know, this computer is really old, and it survived. If was my parents, I would have bought a new one.
Hey, do you want to make money fast and easy by just playing on your phone? If you're watching this video on your mobile device, all you have to do is on the link down below and click on the compass and download the app and start earning. It's that easy. Download the app and make the easiest money you will ever make. Can't touch this.
Hey, touch this.
It's just glitching all the time.
Hey, touch this.
Is this computer okay? I don't think it's my fault. That's not really laughing, I suppose. Let's just do this. Try not to laugh challenge. Lives YouTube. So guys, why is this taking so long? Oh my god, how long? Did I even watch this? Is this really okay? Because I am so afraid if this is working. Because I don't want to spend your time. I don't want to show you what you look like because it's going to look weird. Wait. I hope it's not. This can work. Is it okay? I just like. So guys, if this is gonna be my first video and this is just like stupid. Oh my god. Am I being hacked? Am I being hacked? Look, I'm not gonna touch. What? I'm not even touching. Guys, I'm really thinking being hacked. Oh my god.
Gotcha! I'm sorry, baby. I messed it up. On center. On center. It doesn't matter how far out it is. It's the same on both sides. It's not my fault. It's Daddy,
No. I can't. What the hell is that thing?
Okay, Will, chop your feet. Okay, give me 6 inches.
Yeah. So this is a problem. Can you come back to life? What is this problem? I should call this the worst video. What's wrong? I have to slow down. Guys, I can't pause this video. We have to move. So, guys, I don't know what happened literally. I don't know what's going on right here. Oh my god. So guys, get out. Literally, I don't know what's going on, so I'm opening a new one. So we are actually have to wait. So I'm really sorry about what's going on. I should make this, oh, yeah, sorry. So I don't know what's literally going on here. I'm really scared if something's kind of weird. Weird. I don't know. So guys, I'll see you in the other video, and so I'm gonna check later what's going on. See you. So, bye.